Okay, Max, first thing you want to do with the headset is you want to plug it into your PS3 and have it charge fully overnight. And then once it's charged full, just take the headset. It's off right now. You just hold down the button until it starts blinking rapid blue, and even then you hold it down until it goes solid. Just wait till it goes solid, like that. Okay, you go into your settings, go into accessory settings, to register Bluetooth device, register headset, click yes, start scanning, and because this is solid blue, it should pick it up right away. There it is, Java BT125, click on it. Okay, passcode will be 0000, enter, click OK. It'll register the device. Okay, and this will start blinking because it's registered now, so it won't be solid anymore. Register complete. Go down to camera device, or let's see here, audio device settings, input device. Make sure it's set to the Java. Okay, output device. And you see the thing going up and down? That's because it could hear me talking on the Bluetooth device. It's still blinking. When you want to turn off the Bluetooth device, just hold it down until it starts blinking rapidly. And it's off. And next time you want to use it again, just hold the button down until it turns back on. There, see? And it should already be in sync with your TV. So that's all it is.